The most important promise you'll ever keep is the one you make to yourself. Think about it. We keep promises to others so easily. We show up when they ask, we help when they call. It's a social contract, an unspoken agreement we honor because our word is our bond to them. But what about the bond we have with ourselves? How often do we break that promise? That quiet, internal contract gets renegotiated, postponed, and often completely forgotten. The excuses sound so reasonable in the moment. I'll start my morning routine tomorrow. I'll focus on that project later. I'll take care of my health. Eventually. Each one feels like a small, harmless delay. But these delays add up, slowly chipping away at our self-trust. But here's the truth, and it's a powerful one. Self-respect isn't a feeling you wait for. It's an action you take. It's built from self-commitment. Confidence isn't some grand prize you win. It's the quiet accumulation of kept promises. Every time you follow through, even on the smallest, most insignificant seeming thing, you are casting a vote for the person you want to become. You are teaching your mind through evidence that you are reliable, that you are trustworthy, that when you set an intention, you see it through. You are building a track record of integrity with the one person who matters most, you. So let's make this practical. Don't try to change everything at once. Start with a simple framework. First, choose just one small promise for today. Not for the week, not for the month, just for today. Maybe it's drinking one glass of water before your coffee, or putting your phone away for the first 10 minutes of your lunch break. Define the action. Make it so tiny you can't say no. Then, keep that one promise. And when you do, acknowledge it. A mental check mark. A quiet nod to yourself. This is how you build momentum. And if you miss a day, that's okay. This isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. Forgive yourself and simply begin again tomorrow. Success isn't built by grand gestures of motivation. It's built by the quiet discipline of self-reliant actions, repeated daily. So, what is the one small promise you will make to yourself and keep today? Start there. That's how real, lasting confidence grows.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.